So, I guess that's that then. Well, you're more understanding than me, that's all I'm saying.
You and your mum been selling our stuff?
I thought this was from the community.
You can have a free slice if you like.
No, that's not the point, Vinny. Those ingredients from our cupboards.
You're taking the mick.
And considering what Lydia has already done for you and Armando, you are on very